Alright. We're gonna need you guys, everybody out. Alright. Yep. Start grabbing people.
I got it.
Got it? Here. We got you. Yep. Okay. Alright, don't worry about it. None of that stuff matters. You gotta start moving through the factory. We gotta move. Here you go. Give me your hands. I got you. Just hold on to me, okay? Alright. Alright. We're gonna. Alright. Ready?
But I can't.
I got you. Trust me. Alright, ready? We need you to move, okay? I know. I got you.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Keep coming. We got you.
I know where the fire's at. Any people in this house?
Yeah.
Yo!
One guy needs.
How far is he?
Come on.
No, where's he at? Do you know?
Yeah.
Where?
I know.
All right. I got it. We got you. Yep. This is gonna go down. I got you. Just keep going.
Let's get you out of here.
Do I need anything?
No, come on. Take your blanket to cover yourself up. Unlock me.
Oh. Okay.
Pick your feet up. You're going for a ride.
They said that they're outside already.
Okay.
What the?
That's okay. Let's throw. You got it? Okay. Let's throw.
I can't believe this.
Coming through!
Yeah, we're coming through.
I got that whole hallway. Oh, watch it.
Yeah, we're coming through. Let's go. We got it first.
Put yours down first.
You got more carriers?
Look,
You're outside.
I just try to bring some down.
You're outside. Watch out, I got you.
Oh, yeah, give me that. Police department! That one open?
Please.
Got one! Okay, the building's on fire. We got you, brother.
Carry. Let's go.
He's a walker. You want to walk?
No.
No. But listen, you can walk.
Here, let's go. Ready?
Where's the walker? No. There's a walker right here, brother.
It's all right. Open this door.
Second floor, there's one here.